like Natural Rain. And today, don't forget to subscribe down below and also press the thumbs up.
Because you're literally like, and y'all, it's Kristen, your first chocolate drop. Hey guys, it's your girl Daut, and I'm back with another video. And this time, I brought friends. These are my neighbors.
I'm your friend too.
I said,
oh, you did.
what?
Hey everybody, I'm Casey.
Hey everyone, I'm Jalen, also known as Natural Rain.
And there's someone else here, but
I definitely have to do that. You have to shameless plug yourself.
You
mad because you didn't shameless plug
yourself.
It's
because I'm gonna be in the description box. Everybody click that link down there.
I am gonna put it down.
Well, that's fine because I'm gonna be there too.
The 4C chocolate drop will also be there.
Kristen is also here. At this point, you probably know that I absolutely hate wash and goes. I hate them. I hate them, and everybody who got them. I'm just kidding. Totally joking. Oh my god, I love you guys. Anyway, so today, since I hate them so much, these two are gonna try and bring me over to the dark side.
And
we're gonna
side.
Ooh,
Three.
These
and
three.
Kristen.
That's true. They're just gonna be talking me through this wash and go process. This horrible, awful, just. I'm dreading it, but it's fine. They're gonna talk me through this process and give me some advice as I'm doing it, and we're gonna see how this turns out. I personally have no hope. I told y'all I'm not a believer. I'm really here to prove y'all wrong. It's fine.
Maybe it's just your hair.
Yeah. Did you ever think about that? Don't look over here.
I think the problem is her. Okay, and let me tell you why. I have reasons.
I want to hear this. I want to hear it.
It could be you need to use different products.
Yep.
It could be your hair is just not receptive to the way that you style it. It could be give me some more reasons.
It could be not enough water. It could be trying to do it as if it were a Bantu knot out. That's another one.
Do y'all see this shade? I just feel like wow. Without further ado, we're gonna get into the video.
Okay, so we have bibs because Daughtry's messy. If you know Daughtry and you're watching this video, I don't even need to explain. Okay, so I'm gonna just leave it at that.
Okay, so my hair is sectioned. Now what?
Also, you could also use smaller sections and pay more close attention to those.
When you're new to it, you gotta divide and conquer.
When I tell you, I used to use like 6 sections. Yeah. And now I'm down to 4 because I've mastered it.
Yeah. But when you haven't mastered it, you cannot do it like
I'm saying like you could do the 4 and then just split the 4 up. You know?
Oh, well, yeah, I could do that. All right, let's do that.
So, beginner tip, small sections. Don't try to do what you see us do in our videos because we ain't new to this. We true to this.
Very.
As Jalen says all the time.
You definitely don't want to mess that up.
Get this man a shield.
She don't know.
Say it louder since you guys won't acknowledge it.
I didn't make the team name.
Okay, is this enough?
I didn't either. Let me see.
I just feel like
I'm just feeling it. More.
I was about to say I would do more.
This is why I can tell you right now.
Like a
this is why your washing
test.
goes didn't work out because you was never putting enough water in there.
I did.
Obviously not.
She really.
Okay. So now that my hair is wet, what?
First product,
leave-in. Lavish leave-in conditioner made with aloe vera and avocado oil.
by Mish. Okay.
I was like, she's gonna get this.
That is not enough. More.
Okay, I can't pump.
That is child's play.
I'm just kidding.
More.
I say a little bit more.
Oh.
Okay. All right. So we got the leave-in. I'm about to put it on my hair now.
Okay. Now, how do you usually apply it to your hair?
Like this.
Like I'll show you.
Like I'm doing it right now.
Okay, now add some more water in there.
Oh my God. It'll never dry.
Yes, ends. I saw that.
I need that. It's over there.
Pay
What'd you
special attention to them ends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
And I like to do like the praying
Is that
hands
enough
thing
water?
too.
I like to do the praying hands method as well.
So I
We
run it
agree.
through and then go like this.
Just like that.
Okay, now I use a brush. I know Jalen doesn't.
All the way to the roots. Did
It's
you get all the way
conditioner
to the
everywhere.
roots?
I'm
Yeah, I
completely
did.
fine.
Okay. I'm like, maybe you didn't.
Wait. She said,
She said, yeah, I did. She was so sure. I even started to believe her, even though I watched her brush her hair.
Actually, I've used this in my Banty Knot video.
Well, what is it?
It's the Miel Organics Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk.
Yes.
Miel.
Yes, Miel. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put this in there now. Let's
wait,
just-
whoa. No. Water.
more?
More.
Yes.
I just feel like it's already wet.
It's not.
More. There's never too much. You cannot ever use too much water.
Yeah.
Your hair should be dripping during the entire process.
I really recommend for you, since I'm really feeling like you're low porosity, that you do it in the shower and make sure your hair is fully saturated in the shower. It'll help. And then you wet it some more when you get out the shower, but at least it'll start wet. Oh, see, yeah, that's doing wonders for you.
There we go. This is exactly, yes.
Yeah, you
Perfect.
needed that. You're gonna spill it.
We'll tell you when. When.
Yeah, that was a little more than
When?
Yeah, just a little.
Well, because I thought she was gonna say stop and not when, but she did say I'll tell you when. So I just
Yeah.
feel like maybe,
I'm a woman of my word.
I don't know how you didn't see that.
or you're weird, because anybody else would have been like, okay, that's enough.
Who
All right,
never?
no. All right, that's-
Okay,
all right,
comment
stop.
down below if you say when or if you say stop. Let me know. What is this technique?
I don't know. It's called prissy hands.
I'm gonna adopt that.
Yeah,
Watch my next washing up video, y'all.
literally. Is this it? Is it working? Is this how it's supposed to look?
She needs so much reassurance. Maybe this.
I'll be back.
Ooh.
What's she finna go do?
So tell us what you think about this wash and go so far.
It's like, it's different.
Okay.
It's like nothing I've ever seen before.
In what way?
It's just so much hair. I thought I knew everything that there was to know about wash and goes, and because this is my trade.
Yeah.
And now I'm not so sure anymore. So, and I blame Daughtry. I do. It's her fault.
Why do you blame her?
Well, why not? Well, why not?
It's her head.
She is causing me to have an internal struggle that's kind of like pushing out, and I'm not a very sensitive person, but
Okay.
this one hit home. What do you think the chances are of this wash and go being a success?
That's a tough one. From trash to 10, I would have to rate it a basura. Basura is trash, and this is serious. My hair don't look like that, you know, and I have pretty thick hair, and it's a lot.
So
Like
the
her-
sense is pretty emotional for you, or
I don't know what I did taking on this task. I think this is something that I can't win.
So I'm back. And I left to go wet it because the little spray bottle wasn't making it shake like I needed it to. Cause see, now it's laying down a little bit more, you know?
Yeah.
All right, so now
secure this.
we're gonna go ahead and put this gel in there because they're forcing me to put the gel in it. So we're gonna use this Wet Line Extreme Styling Gel, 24-hour hold. That's a lot.
That is a lot of hours, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. Sounds risky.
That's gross. Stop. It's too much. That's too much.
Too
If
much.
you put more, it's too much.
Too much.
There is such thing as too much product. Too much water? No.
No.
I just feel
Your
like
hair different.
Yeah, that's weird.
we
need a specialist.
Y'all were the specialist. Who am I supposed to call?
Put some more water on it.
I feel like that's literally the equivalent of turn it off, turn it back on.
No, seriously.
I told them, and they be talking about some Dodgers. Just do a wash and go.
I didn't. Whoa. We never came at you with that energy.
I just feel like,
But once you like train your hair to act like this, you're
It
good.
does it. Yeah. Well, don't go crazy.
Go crazy? That's a bit.
I'll be rocking to it.
I can do that.
Do it.
Hey,
That's a lot.
bounce,
We just said don't go crazy, and you just
Oh
went
my
crazy.
god! Show them, please. Jesus.
Do it.
This is looking like something.
Drop with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it.
Oh,
There's two parts. I don't know what you were gonna do.
I wasn't gonna do it.
Do it.
So do it. Oh. Stop pretending like you can't sing.
Ooh.
Okay, I think it did something now.
He did something.
I don't know what it did, but something happened.
It is something.
It's something just here.
I think this is right. Is this right?
I told you our hair doesn't look the same.
Yeah, let's see if we can...
Okay, so this is taking a really long time. So I'm gonna go finish this up, and then
Finish this up.
I'm gonna go finish this up, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all where I am, what my progress is, and we're gonna see what my teachers here have to say about my progress.
Trash.
I didn't even see it yet.
I know.
What do you guys think?
So this is it so far. Really, like I said before, I'm cute regardless, so I just feel like
A little bit like 5'5".
I think it looks okay right now. I will say
What does it normally look like?
this isn't the step. This isn't the problem.
It's the drying.
It's the dry.
Stop touching.
Yeah.
But it's in my
Nope.
Stop.
You shake it. You move
Touch
it out
it.
with your head. Boom.
Yes.
It's not good.
You don't like the hooded dryer is what you said?
No, I want to try the hooded dryer. I don't have one. So
Today's your lucky day. Because I want this wash and go to come out well that
you have a
badly.
hooded dryer?
Yes, I've had one forever.
It be your own friends holding out on you. Lovely neighbor's gonna let me use her blow dryer. We're gonna try that today.
I didn't get called a lovely neighbor when I let you use my leave-in.
First of all, Jalen, I was like, oh my God, thanks, Jay. It's in the bathroom. But let it be known that that is Jalen's leave-in because,
Thank you.
plot twist, Daut doesn't have any products. We're going to use the hooded dryer. And then I'm actually going to try a natural range stretching method.
Ooh, I didn't know
Such
that was
as?
coming.
When you be like with the dryer. And you be like,
I stretch with the dryer. That one.
yeah, that one. I like that one. So yeah, and then we're gonna see what happens. I'll come back and I'll show y'all.
Your curls make your fro look so little. Oh, your hair is definitely
She
longer.
said my hair's super big and yours ain't.
I'm Jalen and I'm
My
so
hair's so ooh, everybody else has baby fro.
baby fro. So we're back. Hair's dry. Yeah, it actually is 100% dry, which
What do you think?
know.
I see curls.
I see curls. As
I
well.
see curls as well. Hold on, let me show you
I
guys.
see London. I see friends.
Yes.
I see curls doing a dance.
Now,
Now, I enjoyed the before process, the
Okay.
putting all the product in there and all that good stuff. Now, the drying was a lot.
it was. You have very, very, very.
I
Big
actually
hair.
ended up trying every drying method.
That's a video.
I tried
right
yours.
No, seriously. Trying to dry my super
Trying
thick
to
type
dry
4 hair. All my hair.
Did you stretch it out?
No, I didn't stretch it. And let me tell you why. I'm actually feeling my fro. You know, like I'm feeling the,
The shape.
yeah. So, you know, we're just going to go for the no stretch.
Mm-hmm.
But I will say that the drying is just a lot. But I do like I have curls.
Mm-hmm.
You do.
I have curls.
That's because of
and,
us. We did that.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
And usually I don't have curls in the front, but they're definitely there.
They're there.
Wow.
Okay, I will say that. And, I'm dead. And And then there was one more thing I was gonna say. Oh, so I wish I had more definition, but I guess that's because I don't do them like that. So I'll give you that.
Process.
Yep, it's fine. I'll trust it. It's cool. But I would rate am I rating or y'all rating?
You
rating
first.
Yeah.
I would rate this wash and go a
Drum roll, please.
maybe a 7. A 7.
Not horrible.
Not horrible.
It's not bad.
I'll take
horrible.
It's not bad.
You want to know what my rate was gonna be?
What was it gonna be?
7.5.
Close.
Yeah. I didn't have one in mind, but that makes sense.
Okay.
7.5.
So it's 7.5 ish. Yeah.
It's
Well,
a learning
also
curve.
right
It
because
is,
you're a beginner.
for
Yeah.
sure.
You can't
For sure,
expect
like
10 because that's not fair for everyone else who had to work hard for it.
Wow.
Me.
First of all, that was real personal, and but
Or
they're
keep
still
it.
not my favorite. But I'm gonna keep trying.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm willing to
Yeah.
keep trying.
Progress.
You're gonna find out what works for you. The more you try it, the more you're like, that didn't work. That worked really well.
Yeah.
Like,
You gotta play around.
Like
the
that
process.
leave-in. That's for sure. That y'all, if y'all don't got that, go get it.
yeah.
Me and
And I
Washington
think also if
are-
you would have stretched it out too.
Yeah.
Like I know you don't want to, but if you would have stretched it out, you would have seen more of the curl definition.
Bigger,
Yeah.
longer.
Maybe I'll do it after this video. All right, well, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. If you watched all the way to the end, you're really real. But all of you are thebomb.com. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to these two.
Do all that. Do
All of that. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and I just had to come back and show y'all that I did stretch it out. And I actually really like it. So, don't tell Jalen and Casey. See y'all later. Bye.
Honestly, you are a brave soul for tackling this.
My hair.
Her own hair.
What?
We're the kids of the theater.
Whoa!
Water, 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 water.
Na, 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 na.
We're going to Wally World. Wally World. She got her basket.
Oh my
I
God.
can't.
That was, oh!
That's the thumbnail. Ew! Shout out to Will on the Whim.
Will on a whim.